In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear your photo library on an iPhone 15, 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app and then tap right here to go to your entire photo library. First off, guys, in order to clear all the photos, we need to select them. To do that, tap Add Select. And then if you just want to delete several photos, you can select them in that way. And then tap Add Trash icon and then tap Add Delete. However, if you would like to clear your entire photo library, I'm gonna show you how to do that. First off, tap Add Select, and then you can just drag your finger over the photos, and as you can see, in this way we can select a big variety of photos at once. However, to select all the photos, we need to move our finger up, and the screen will start scroll, and that's where we can face a problem, because if you got a lot of photos here, this process can take a bunch of time. But now I'm gonna show you simple trick how we can easily select all our photos in a couple of clicks. All you have to do, guys, is just start selecting photos in that way, and then without lifting off the first finger from the screen, you need just to tap at time, and what that will do, that will move you to the very beginning of your camera roll photos. And so now, as you can see, all my photos from my gallery are selected, and then I can easily delete them by hitting right there at that button. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.